How to stop Steam from opening on startup. So first, just open up your Steam app, and once you're there, just simply click on Steam on the top left corner and just click on settings. Now once you're on your settings, just go to interface and just scroll down a little till you see this run Steam when my computer starts. So just simply disable that. Now once it's done, just exit out of Steam, and now just click on Control Shift and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. So the Control key, the Shift key, and the Escape key, so that you could reveal the task manager, or you could also just search it on your Windows menu, task manager, just like so. Now once you're on your task manager, just go to startup apps and just find Steam on the list of apps right here. So if you don't see your Steam app right here, that should be good. The method that we did earlier is enough, but if you find your Steam right here, what you need to do is just right click. Let's say this is Steam, so just basically right click on it and just click on disable. That's how you basically stop Steam from starting up when you open up your computer.